Umaakyat sila, papunta sila sa akin. Ayan. Oh, nakakabilib sila. Black pala siya. Yan yung black na ubas. Yung sa kabila kanina is white. Taray, ano? Grabe. Punta ako mamaya later doon. Which is I've been there earlier. Kasi doon ako, lumabas kanina para pumasok rito. And then the train is yung sa gitna dyan, may train dyan na sinakyan ko. Bukod pa yung may train doon sa kabila. Grabe. Kung napapagod ka na sa trabaho, puro na lang computer, diba? Ito yung sumakay ka lang ng train. Alam mo ba, yung train ko is 60, I think $60 because it's 58 or 59 euro per a month na yun. Any train and bus around Germany, pwede mo gamitin yan, scan lang nila. Wag mo lang kalimutan na bayaran yon kasi mamumulta ka. But it's worth it kasi kung bibili ka ng ticket from where I am in Wiesbaden, from here is almost 23 euro. Two-way yon, so 50 euro, 60 euro. So it's better you get that 58 in a month. Talagang pasok sa banga, worth it. Tsaka hump ka lang, punta. Talon ka lang sa train, baba ka dito. Actually, ito muna bahara Cologne na. I don't know how far is Cologne from Bahara. Bakra. Ano ba yan? Nahihirapan ako mag-pronounce ng town na to. Bahara, pero Bakra. Ganun. Parang nadadahak. Yun. Parang walang napunta doon. No? Pero ang ganda. You just enjoy it from here. Ay, si ate. Ayun. I don't know what she's doing there. But she get up and maybe take a pictures of that wine. Diyan. Ang ganda ng mga kulay ng houses, di ka? Show it to you. Ayan o, di ba? May mga ganyan-ganyang style na mga houses. Tapos may yellow doon. Gara, di ba? Yan. Napaka-colorful. Ganda. Pero, wait lang Yan siya, is part siya doon nung kabila na pinasukan ko, parang guardhouse. Siguro pag may pumapasok na yan yung wag kang papasok, yung parang ganon, parang guard. Yung mga sinaunang panahon. Ala, nakipagkwentuhan, much. Ala, yun lang ang ko, inaiisip ko. Pero ang dami niyang mga old houses. When I get here, is somewhere there may old houses dyan, somewhere there. Ayun may mga taong umaakyat doon. Ngayon nahanapin ko to. Kung saan sila umaakyat, maybe in another way. I don't know. But I need to find out how to get there. Nakikita niya, yan yung tao naglalakad doon. Saan na? Saan na sila? Hindi ko na rin siya. Ayun. May mga taong naglalakad doon. So I need to find out how I get there. So how do I get there? Do you know? They have one road over there. I don't know where is that. Do you see the fence? So I'm asking somebody how to get there, but he said he doesn't know.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's peaceful, quiet town. So I need to ask somebody how to get there at the top and how to get here. So that is our goal, to go at the top and there. And then we will back near to the river, Rhine River. Okay. Go back.